Once again, ladies and gentlemen, here I am. I've just unboxed my lovely sonic screwdriver, and I've suddenly frozen. There we go. Makes the noise and everything. It is also a pen. Oops, I've taken the tip off. It's also a pen that the tip is kind of stuck. There we go. It's got a black ink. It also has a another one here in the package that is different ink. That is, I'll just open it here on camera for y'all. See that the tips are exchangeable. And this ink is ultraviolet. Cool deal. So yeah, that's the 9th and 10th Doctor's sonic screwdriver, and it's mine. Finally, just came in the mail today.